So in this video we are going to start a tutorial series on shell scripting. So this is the introduction video, and so in this video first we should know why there's a need of using shell script. So shell script is used for automating backups. Like suppose you have to take the backup of the database that is running on your on servers, and you can also do a lot of manual processes to automate them. Suppose you want to copy some code to your main code directory, that you can also do with the help of shell script automatically, and also you can schedule some jobs to run at a scheduled time. Like you can use cron jobs to run suppose at a 12 a.m. on daily basis, that you can also schedule using shell script. Apart from that, you can also troubleshoot and audit the logs of the servers. Like suppose if there is any error found, it will trigger an alarm and send you a notification, and many more. Before begin towards this tutorial series, you should know some of the basics of the Linux and some command line basics. And if you don't know, you can check out my previous video series. From there they can help. So as you can see, I have created a script over here, and I'll show you what inside this. So inside this, what we are doing, we are creating a directory city. Then we goes inside the city and create 3 files with the name Mumbai, Pune and Delhi, and we print the date as well. So this is the shell script that we are going to use now. And to run this, we'll use okay. So for that we'll check the permissions. It doesn't have the permission, execute permission for the users, group and others, so we'll provide the execute permission to it. And again we'll try to run this. As you can see, it has it is run successfully, and it has created this directory, and it also print this date output. As you can see, it has created right now 12th of July, and let's check whether it has created some files into that or not. Yes, so it has created 3 files here: Pune, Mumbai and Delhi. So this is a way of running a shell script. Automatically you can schedule your cron job and anything to run it automatically at any particular time. So in this video we'll see the importance of variables and why we use them. The first thing is that suppose you have to use a single name in in your multiple commands in your script, then the best way to use it is using or creating a variable. This is because suppose at any time you have to change that variable, then you have to go through your whole script, and then you have to modify it. This will take a lot of time. So for that, what you can do, you can define a variable. Like suppose I have defined a name equal to Java variable here, but I'm creating a directory named Java, then cd, going into that directory, then create a Java file over there. And now suppose there is a scenario that I have to modify these Java names to some other Python name. Then what I'll do, I'll have to go open this shell script and then modify here and modify here. Instead of that, what I can do, I can define a variable like this here, name equal to Java, and mkdir dollar name, cd dollar name, touch dollar name. This will do, it will pick up the name from this name, so that it would be easy for this script to modify, and this will take a less time. So this is the importance of Java, and we can check it by running this script here. Okay, so there is some permission issue. Okay, so there is no such execute issue for this file. We'll just provide it. And when you run it, it has run successfully without any error, and it has created the Java directory and Java file as well. In this video, we'll see about the command line arguments. So before going towards the lab, you need to understand why there's a need of command line argument. You need command line argument is very usable when there's a variable that is not fixed. And the second is like it's very easy for us to change rather than going to the code and change the variable name. Rather than apart from that, the code can be reusable easily. Not only the person who has written the code, but it is very easy to understand the code. So in this video we'll see why there is a need of command line argument. So first of all, let me check in which directory I am. Currently I am in the root directory, and we have a file here that is create dot file. So this file had some commands written that it will create this hello directory. It will go to this hello directory and then create a hello.txt file. So now if I need to change this name, change the name of the directory and then change the name of this file, I have to do the changes 3 times over there in this script. So what I can do here, I can create a variable and assign the variable to use the command line argument that I'll provide with this script. So for that, what we need to do is we need to just specify the $1 sign here, and then that argument is stored by the name variable, and that name variable is used here by creating directory and going into the directory and creating a new file. I'll create a new terminal. So in this video we will see why there is a need of command line argument. So like right now we have created a directory and I am in my root directory. So we have created this shell script, and let me just print out its commands that are written inside it. So inside that we have a name variable, and that variable is city, and we are creating a directory with this name variable. Then we goes to that directory and create a file. Alright, so first of all what I'll do, I'll just correct its typo error. Okay, so now what we need to do is, like, suppose what I want is I want to give this output of this name city into my command line whenever I run the script. That's what I want to achieve. Rather than changing the whole script, I just want to change on the command line. So what I need to do is, like, I'll need to specify that this name is picked up by the command line argument, and that is done by the help of this $2 sign or $1. Okay, So this is the shell script that we are going to run, and this is argument 1, argument 0, and this is argument 1, and we'll try to run it. And yes, let me check it if it is executed properly. Yes, it has created this directory, and inside that directory we'll see if it has created a file. Yes, it has created the file as well. So this is how you can pass the command line argument while you are running the script rather than changing it to the shell script. So it can be useful for any of the developer who used to run this script, and he can change that argument by specifying the other name as well. Like suppose I'll have to specify the name again to different name. I can see that it has run the script with the name Mumbai, and it has created new directory. Thanks for watching this video. Do like if you learned something, and do subscribe if you continuously want to learn more into the technology. Thank you.